Hi guys, it's Bethany from Madeline Jean Antiques Restoration. In this video, I'm going to share with you guys a quick tip on how to get brush bristles, boy, say that fast 3 times, brush bristles out of your paint finish if they happen to fall in. Now, I currently use Klingon brushes and I don't have any issues with that. But with this particular dresser behind me that I'm restoring, I had to put on shellac before I started painting it. And when I apply my shellac, I use cheap chip brushes, and sometimes the bristles do come off. And so while I was painting my second coat of white paint today, I noticed on the side that I had a long bristle stuck in it. So I wanted to share with you guys, how do you get those out? So all you're gonna need is a tweezers and a needle. Now in my workshop, I keep the needle on a piece of thread so I can easily find it. So what you're gonna do, in the past when I was just starting out to restoring furniture, I would pick at the brush bristle with my nail, which would further damage my finish, or I would take sandpaper to it, would even further damage the finish. These 2 little doohickeys right here, they're gonna save you a lot of trouble, okay? So watch the video, because I did it in real time. I showed you how easily it was for me to pick it out, and then afterwards I took sandpaper once the paint was dry, and I took sandpaper to it to just smooth out the edges, and I put on my final coat, and now you can't even tell that I had a brush bristle in my finish. So take a look at it. I hope this little tidbit helps you guys when it comes to restoring furniture. Okay guys, here's my quick tip of the day. I'm painting along here doing my second coat on a dresser, and I notice I have something stuck in my paint. So how am I going to get that out with the least amount of damage? Well, I take a tweezers right here, and I take a needle that I have on a thread so I can easily find it in my workshop. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to lift it with the needle, if I can. There it is, I lifted it. Do you see it? And now I'm going to grab it with my tweezers and try and film at the same time. I feel like I'm playing Operation. Oh, come here, you little stinker. And here it comes. There you go, I got it. So obviously it's left a line of where it was. So I'm gonna quickly paint over it and go on with my day. Hey you guys, Biscuit and I thank you for watching this little tutorial today on how to get brush bristles out of your finish. I'm not editing that out. I'm gonna go with it, okay? Thank you so much for watching this little tutorial on how to get brush bristles out of your finish without ruining your finish. If you haven't liked and subscribed to my channel, please do so. The subscribe button is in the lower right-hand corner when you're looking at your phone or your PC or your tablet. You do have to have the video in like a full screen mode in order to see that subscribe button. So once you do, subscribe to my channel. Biscuit and I thank you immensely. And if you guys have any comments or questions regarding this helpful hint, please leave it in the comment section. I always answer any questions that you may have. Once again, thank you again for watching. We will see you soon.